So namaskar all of you. This is a new batch notification for the online batches for the month of June 2021 at Arohan classes. So these batches would be for integrated batches for civil services and also for for forest services. Okay, in forest services, two optionals are being offered: agriculture and forestry. Okay, and for civil services, many optionals are being offered, which I will discuss. So the details of this particular PDF, you can download the PDF at the description section. The link is given, you can download. So these are our results since 2011, and you can go to our YouTube channel and also go through the videos, mock interview videos of the toppers. So what to join Arohan online batch? First important thing is personal guidance. You will get personal mentorship and personal guidance. These courses are till success courses. Okay, what do you mean by till success courses? Means the duration of the course is 1 year, that includes your optional as well. Exclusive study materials and test series. Most cost effective education, because the total course fee for your online batch that is actually less than half of the course fee that most institutes charge for only GS. Okay, so excellent previous results and particular focus on answer writing for online students. So the faculties, which also include ex-OCS toppers, they ensure that after every class you write the answers and get it evaluated by them. So these are the dates. First batch has already started for June, which started in June 3. Registration was opened from June 1, and the subject with which this batch started was Modern Indian History. Next batch is due, that is on June 10th. Registration will open from June 8, and the subject which will start from June 10th, that is Art and Culture. Next, June 17th, registration will start from June 15th. We will be starting with Indian Economy. Okay, then June 24th, registration will start from June 22, and it will start from General Science. Okay, so these new batches, they include your entire 3 stage of the exams: general studies, your optionals. We are not offering all optionals, but most of the important optionals are being offered, and the compulsory papers. Okay, then we have the daily, weekly and monthly tests on our own All Test Maker platform, and these are chapter wise tests. For example, in Modern Indian History, you finish a chapter, after 1 day the test is uploaded, you finish the chapter, and chapter wise you have to give the test. So your doubts will be completely cleared, and then the discussion video will be uploaded. Okay, study material, textbooks and test series is included in this. Classes are held 7 days a week. Repeaters batch free of charges till success after 1 year. Okay, so there is no limit on this 1 year. This is like, till you crack the exam, you can continue. Okay, what are the optionals that are being offered? Some of these optionals are only online optionals, which I will tell you. Geography, this is both online, offline, but these batches which I am talking about in June, these are all online batches. As per my information, before November, it will be difficult to start offline batches. Okay, but if Government of Odisha allows before that, we will be starting. It all depends on government's permission. Political science and international relation, public administration, psychology, sociology, home science, these are all classroom come online batches. So those who want to join in classroom, what you can do, you can first join online, and once the classroom starts, then you can convert to classroom by paying the difference of fees. Generally, the online course is half of the classroom course. Okay, the course fee is half of the classroom course. Education, this is one optional which is purely online. Okay, so education optional is offered only online. We do not have classroom education batches. Then agriculture, this is also online and both your classroom, history and forestry online and classroom. So this is the only optional education that is only online, right? In case you plan to take education. Okay, what is the advantage of e-learning batch? So now we are not talking much about advantages. Now basically what we are talking is about the necessity. Okay, because of this pandemic situation, most people are not interested in exposing themselves. Okay, so at least not till you are properly vaccinated. Okay, so you can study according to your own pace. So all these videos which you will get, these are all videos of YouTube private. Okay, so there are no restrictions like in some particular institutes it is for 10 hours or 7 days, or after that it will not be available. So after 1 month if you want to revise, it will be difficult for you. Here, since it is YouTube private, it is available, okay, forever in a sense, till YouTube is there. Okay, and there are no restrictions on number of playbacks also, because in some institutes you will find you can replay for 2 times, 3 times, 5 times. Here you can replay for n number of times. Okay, where n tends to infinity. So basically there is no restriction. Okay, so you can study in the safety of your home, right? Especially in this pandemic situation. Same facilities including printed study materials as classroom students. So it's not like for classroom students we are providing the books and the printed material, and for online students we are giving some PDF. Okay, same printed study material is given to you. What is this printed study material? I'll tell you. Then cost effective. How? Because our total course fee including prelims, mains and viva for your classroom batches, that is 80,000, and it includes a special batch of UPSC answer writing. Our chief mentor for that, he has qualified UPSC 3 times with sociology as his optional. Okay, 3 times he has got a rank in UPSC civil service. So he takes that class. That is a special class only for classroom, that is not available in the online batch. Okay, so and so this is 80,000 for the classroom batch, and this is both for UPSC and OPSC. It's a combined course fee. Okay, that's the half of it, that is 40,000. This is the online course fee. Okay, this you can pay in 2 installments of 20,000 each. If you are paying in lump sum one time, that you are getting a waiver of 10%. Means instead of 40,000 you are paying 36,000 one time. Else you can pay in 2 installments of 40,000. Okay, so course fee 40,000, prelims plus main and optional, and interview support of course is included in this, right? So videos of all regular classes Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday we have specific classes, and Sunday contact class is there twice a month. Okay, so once the classroom coaching opens, even you can come to the classroom on every Sunday twice a month. That is generally 2nd Sunday and 4th Sunday. Okay, and same study materials and test series as integrated regular batch classroom students. Okay, so suppose you are interested in taking only one particular, you don't want entire paper. Okay, this 40,000 or 36,000. 40,000 is in 2 installments of 20,000. If you are paying lump sum, then you get a waiver of 10%. So 36,000 if you are paying one time. So this includes entire exam. But suppose you are not interested in taking everything, you are only interested for GS. Okay, so GS, this is pre plus main. Okay, it is 15,000. Okay, and it also includes the compulsory papers, English, Odia, essay. Okay, suppose there are many people who are only compulsory ODIA, only compulsory English you want, then also that is 5,000 including 2 tests and study material, okay, book. Then English essay, many people are there who are not getting more than 80-90 in essay. So if you want to improve your marks in essay, that is also 5,000, okay, only if you want to take essay, that also includes the essay book. And each optional online batch, that is 15,000. So if suppose you want to take only one optional, so the course fee will be 15,000. This includes the study material and test series, okay. Optional mains test series is included, GS prelims test series is included, mains test series is also included, okay. So these are the study material and test series. GS 15 books are there, which is pre-main and compulsory. Optionals 2 books are there, paper 1, paper 2 for each optional, okay. The 2 books depending on the optional may be divided into many books, okay. For example, in agriculture and forestry, each book is more than 1,000-1,200 pages, okay. So similarly in history also it's more than 1,000 pages, right? But in other optional, let's say sociology, it's around 400 or 500 pages, okay. In home science, one is around 1,200 pages, the other book is around 500 pages, right? So it depends on your optional. Then prelims, 70 tests are there, 60 for paper 1 and 10 for paper 2. These are the full test series. Full test series means 2 hours test series, okay. These are not like 20, 30, 40 questions, okay. These are all 100 questions for paper 1 and 80 questions for paper 2, okay. Then mains test series 40, GS and compulsory and essay, for each optional 30, and as I told you, daily test and all in the All Test Maker platform, okay. Even we have open test in Telegram channels also. So if you have any queries, you can WhatsApp me at this number. If you want to call, then these are the numbers for Bhubaneswar Center and Cuttack Center, okay. Any queries, you can get it addressed here. You can directly, this is my WhatsApp number, you can WhatsApp me, okay. So any doubts, any queries, you are free to call and get it cleared. So next batch is starting from 10th of June, okay. Just remember the dates. 10th, 17th and 24th. According to your convenience, you can think and join, okay. Thank you all. Namaskar.